We have good news. Official Inca Trail permits are now released for 2026. This means that from October the 1st to October the 12th this year, we'll be buying permits ready for the 2026 season. Each day corresponds to a particular month, so October the 1st covers January, October 2nd covers March, as the Inca Trail is closed in February, October 3rd covers April, and so on. Now for hikers, booking early comes with some important advantages, so here's why it matters for you. Firstly, you'll have access to the very best camping spots along the Inca Trail. Early reservations mean incredible views, more comfort, and enjoying the Inca Trail at its very best. Secondly, by booking now, you'll lock in today's prices as of 2025. Permits usually increase year after year, so reserving early will save you money. And finally, you'll guarantee your place on the Inca Trail. Permits sell out fast in certain months, but by acting now, you can secure adventure for 2026 with zero stress. So is hiking the Inca Trail on your Peru bucket list? Book with AB Expeditions now, who are a local tour operator and will guarantee the best Inca Trail experience.